you know that's not gonna kill him, right? That's repellent. If you want to kill the mosquito, then you have to probably use this or something.
Yeah, I know sa repellent. Our mosquito always a bother me and bite me. I know. You think me see? I go spray this, and because a mosquito repellent, when I spray it on him, he will repel from all of the other mosquito then. And nobody not gonna like him. And he go dead cause he's lonely and he not no friend. And he go dead of loneliness. Yeah.
Hello, darkness, my friend. I've come to talk with you again.